In this video, we're going to look at the availability of the lone pair of electrons on a ligand and how this affects its ability to form a coordinate bond in a complex. The lone pairs in aliphatic amines such as 1,2-diaminoethane are more available than the lone pairs in ammonia, which is more available than the lone pair in phenylamine. In this reaction, we need to use methanol or ethanol as a mutual solvent. This is because phenylamine is not readily miscible with water. The copper sulfate solution contains dissolved hexa-aqua-copper 2 ions. Our first substitution will be with phenylamine and the hexa-aqua-copper 2 ions in the solution. You can see the solution changes from blue to green when it is added. This is because the ligand replacement reactions have occurred. The phenylamine complex only contains 2 phenylamine ligands because the molecule is very bulky and only 2 can fit around the copper 2+ ion. The next ligand replacement reaction we're going to look at is with ammonia. This is going to provide the amine ligands that will replace the phenylamine ligands in the complex. You will see it turns into a deep or dark blue solution. This is because the amine ligands have replaced the phenylamine ligands in the complex. This is because the benzene ring pi delocalized system can extend over the lone pair on the nitrogen atom and stabilizes the lone pair of electrons, making them less available for donation. Whereas in ammonia, the lone pair of electrons will be more easily donated. Our final ligand replacement reaction will be using 1,2-diaminoethane. Aliphatic groups, such as the CH2 groups in 1,2-diaminoethane, tend to push the electrons in the bond away from themselves. Electrons pushed towards the nitrogen atom destabilize the lone pair of electrons and make them more readily donated, so the ligand replacement reaction will occur. You will see a slight colour change from the deep or dark blue solution to a blue-purple solution. This is because the 4 amine ligands have been replaced by 2 1,2-diaminoethane ligands. Only 2 ligands are in the new complex. This is because 1,2-diaminoethane is a bidentate ligand, so is able to form 2 coordinate bonds with a central metal atom or ion in a complex.